Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brenda. I do vlogs, beauty, and refashioning videos. So for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko transform. Paano ko ginawa to out of an old clothes. Actually, na-transform ko na to before. It is actually the first refashioned video na nagawa ko. Pero hindi ko siya nagamit ever. So naisipan ko, refashion ko siya ulit. And this one, I think magagamit ko na siya this summer. Kasi this is my style. Gusto ko na medyo may pinapakitang skin. So, yeah. This is so easy. Magagawa mo siya within 1 hour kung may sewing machine ka. Pero kung wala, pwede mo kaya siyang kamayin kung sinisipag ka. Since wala naman kayong ginagawa ngayong quarantine, kamayin nyo na kung wala kayong sewing machine. So, yun. Thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!
Okay, so this is how it looks like before. It's kind of boring and it's not really my style. So I decided to refashion it again. First, I took the measurement on how I wanted it to be. Then I laid it in flat and started doing the markings on where I am going to cut it. This is a must to get every side's proportion. For the v-neck, I started creating it an inch away from the original neckline, ending on the second button so I wouldn't be exposing much my breastbone. Yep, I said breastbone because I don't have any cleavage. After cutting it, I hemmed the raw edges. Now for the ruffles, I am going to divide the excess fabric into 2, then joined it together. Then after, I hemmed the bottom side of it. I even took off all the button holes and buttons from it. To create ruffle, I took a block thread and used it to measure how long the top is, then use it to stitch on the ruffle. This will instantly create the ruffles as I reach the end. This is how it looks like now once I reached the end side. So what I did next was secure the ruffle by zigzag stitching the very edge of the fabric. For the final step was attaching the ruffles into the bottom of the top, and I'm done.